Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ahmad bin Lokman. Today I would like to present about power scheduling for purpose methodology. This is similar software. So we have here is the solar panel, and here is the battery and three loads here for represent for each room. So when we click at the solar panel, you have the subsystem here, and then you go to the battery, you have the subsystem for the battery. Okay, we proceed to the battery controller. Here we use the battery controller to control the charge, so the battery will not have the overload charge. So we can manage the battery control according to the voltage that supplied to the battery. Okay, this is the first model that we use. For second model, we use this model, which is we have house block diagram. We have the load, which is oven, dishwasher, clothes washer, lighting, dryer, and water heater. So when we click to add the house, we can see that here is 4 rooms, which represent the living room, dining room, kitchen, and master bedroom. So for each room, we will calculate the temperature for each of the room. So and then we proceed to the refrigerator. Here we have the subsystem. We have many subsystem here. So we want to calculate the temperature outside the refrigerator, and the system will go on at a certain temperature. So we go back to this block diagram. We go to the water heater. We click at the water heater, and here it show the water heater subsystem, and we also calculate the water consumption for the water heater and how it goes in the process, and then we will plot the result here. Alright, and then this is the other loads which is not included in which is not ready for included in this system, but I will go to the load after this. So for air conditioner, we also stated the thermostat here to indicate the temperature for each rooms. So the thermostat will trigger the temperature, and then the air conditioner will follow the requirement temperature. So that's all for the power scheduling.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Atira binti Muhammad Zani. Now I'll be presenting proposed methodology for comfort condition. So basically this is our sensor block diagram fully. Basically we are using the HT11 to sense humidity and LDR to sense light intensity. The basic concept that we use is negative feedback mechanism. When the humidity is high, the humidifier will be switched on, and the humidity will recover back to the correct humidity, the comfortable humidity. When the humidity is low, the humidifier will be switched on, and same with the previous one, the humidity will be corrected to the right humidity. The same thing happen for light intensity, where when the light intensity is high, which is light, the lights will be turned off, and the right light intensity will take place. When the light intensity is low, the lights will turn on, and the light intensity will increase. So basically, when the DHT11 sense the humidity and LDR sense light intensity, the reading will be displayed on LCD. So the PIR sensor here will be used to as our innovative elements that will be inserted in our project. So that's all. from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Afnan bin Zazali from Group 2. Okay, today I want to present about upgraded work from submitted preliminary design review. Okay, now we already passed for about 8 weeks, and now our progress is okay. So far this is about our upgraded work from submitted proposal. Okay, actually I have separate the upgraded work into two parts. The first part is comfort condition, and then the second part is power scheduling. Okay, for the first part, from the previous preliminary design review, we already have everything we need to complete the circuit in our schematic diagram, but we actually didn't do anything with that. Okay, for the current progress, we have built a home model using the material that we have bought, and then we got the hardware such as LCD, PIR, LDR, HDT11, and then the coding for them. Actually, this is our prototype. It's about 80% to complete, and for the improvement, we actually create door alarm and security camera. Okay, next for the power scheduling, from the previous submitted report, we have found 4 software, but unfortunately there is not working yet. And then we also okay, for the current progress, we have run a Simulink MATLAB, but we didn't found the suitable library that related to our project. And then we also install the software in our laptop, but pirate version only, but it's better than lab version. I don't know why. And luckily the library provided still unable to solve the problem. Okay, the second thing is power consumption have been reduced because we added one more load. Actually this is nothing to be upgraded because it's completely done. Okay, I think that's all about upgraded work. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Abdul Fattah. I will present to you about the current state of the comfort condition. Okay, this is the example of the current home prototype that I had done for this time. So I will upgrade until all sensor we put together in the home. This is the schematic diagram, which consists of the 5 sensors that we combine together, and I will explain to you about the coding each of the sensor. Because of the DHT11, we have 2 types. We have DHT11.1, DHT11.2. So I represent the room 1 as the DHT11.1, and room 2 is represent to the DHT11.2. Okay, this is the coding, which is the long and very long coding.